You fucking told me I should have went. You don't think that people want McDonald's?
Oh shit, they're coming. I didn't really mean. I didn't really think you were coming.
No, you told me so.
Oh, whatever. I do what I want. Did you see your facial expression?
What?
Did you see your facial expression? What?
Can we save it? Let's lock it. Am I gonna make it? Damn it.
Go ahead.
Just fucking do it?
Just do it.
Be a spring filler?
Hey. That chick's skinny as fuck. Nasty.
Let's see. Why do you give me a large? Did you charge me for that too? Large Powerade, but I only got a medium fry. Was it a medium? No, it was a medium. No.
Yeah, it was a medium, motherfucker. They're like $10 for a meal? Fucking shit. Well, remember when McDonald's was cheap?
Mm-hmm. Well, they know people want it on the go. Who are we waving at?
I don't know, it's in my house.
That's sweet. Beep and wave. I think they know you.
Hey.
Is that Goonie? Well, why? He's got one shoe.
They all look alike. I can't tell.
Here, I'm gonna get you there. I got 8 minutes.
8 miles.
Huh?
I hate that they took away my women.
What?
Girls that took.
Oh, yeah.
It's fucked.
They didn't take them away, they fucking quit.
At the same time? Was it walk out, clock out? Clock out
Can I head to the gym?
It's been defeated.
We did that shit.
You see me roll?
I'm gonna get you there. 60 miles per hour.
Anything helps.
Now I'm getting pulled over.
Well, I ain't gonna give it there. No. I had to put my seatbelt on real quick.
You're getting the ticket. No. I'm getting. Can you just get him the seatbelt ticket?
A week ago.
Oh, there's that Corvette.
I know, because of the light being on.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, you smell that?
Mm-hmm. The car's been hot now before.
Must see a cop. He's slowing down. Oh, where's he going?
To the trailer park, girls.
I paid for this car, but I live in the trailer park. Go, go, you can make it. Go, go, do it. Look, I got you 5 minutes. I did it. I did it, Aaron. I did it.
We did it. I watched the new Dora. The actual chick Dora.
Dory?
Dora. The Dora.
Can I use the bathroom?
I can. I prefer not. Trevor tried to get me to use the one at my parking area. What the hell? You got a sheep.
Bah. They're good. They're good fucking too. You take them off of a cliff and you push them, and they'll start backing up because they don't want to fall. Don't ask me how I know.
Yeah, I was taking a shit earlier, and Trevor sent me that video that you said. I already knew it was a guy before they even got in the car. Had nice tits.
I know.
It did.
I know.
But then you see fucking dong. I'm like, motherfucker.
So you called the cops? You snitching?